everybody, Kimberly here. JaLingo's word of the week is Rhatid. This is an expression that denotes serious anger or frustration. You may hear someone use the expression Rhatid to express annoyance, happiness, disbelief, or even surprise. So you may hear John say, "Rhatid, me almost win the lotto." That in fact is translated to, "Damn it, I almost won the lottery." Another example, "Rhatid in us the car almost hit on Kevin." This may mean, "Oh my, Kevin just almost got hit down by a car." Related words to Rhatid may be damn, wow, or oh my. Remember to download the exclusive JaLingo app from the iOS App Store if you want to see more words, proverbs, or expressions. Also, click on the download links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.